The differences between TMJ disorder and bruxism really have to do with the actual joint of the jaw. So whereas TMJ, you'll notice a lot of popping, clicking, soreness whenever you wake up, but bruxism is more of like grinding the teeth, so you'll notice more of a soreness of your actual muscles. To make an accurate diagnosis as to which one it is, either TMJ or bruxism, we do a full analysis of your mouth. So we go ahead and do the iTero scan, and it really shows us where your bite patterns are. And then also just by you telling us, if it is more of a popping, clicking and really solely in the morning, or if it's something that you're noticing throughout the day, if you're holding a tight bite. If you do, if your spouse or significant other is saying that you're grinding your teeth, any kind of history that you can give us really helps us determine even better if it's more of a joint problem or an actual wear problem. As opposed to, in addition to that, we also have tests that we do. So we do an actual test that'll help us determine if it's muscle or if it is actual joint. And muscle can also determine, if it's bruxism. And then joint, it'll be more of like your actual joint itself needs to be addressed. Can both a TMJ and bruxism be addressed at the same time? Yes and no. If it's more of a joint problem, then that needs to be addressed separately than the actual muscle problem. The joint can sometimes also cause muscle problems, so having an actual night guard will help with the grinding of the teeth and the muscle itself. But as far as the joint, that is totally separate and that may require some surgery.